What's that?
I was looking for this.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. So we're in a coffee chain at a college, and this is plug going down. So we're gonna open up that clean out, but they made a bad design how they did it. There's no trap on it, so I don't know if there's a trap in the floor. So we're gonna open it up and see what we find, and then we'll snake it out and then go from there. So it's actually plugged up in here before that. So we're gonna snake down, get everything going, and then we're gonna end up snaking up. That's going. Are you gonna need here? You're not gonna need here?
No.
For probably 5-10 minutes, maybe?
Yeah, that's fine. We can tell the customer go other side.
Go somewhere else? Can you see the pipe behind here?
Yes, if you move this, yes.
You say that was going, right?
That one is going.
Give me some hot water.
Okay, so now give me 1 minute.
Oh, that there, eh?
Okay, so very careful, it's very hot, okay? So you can use it from there. Yeah.
Excuse me, sorry. Can you just give me that pot there? This red one?
Pot?
Yeah, this one. Thank you so much. Sorry for that.
Oh, you're good, you're good.
I start 10:30. चाहिए अभी इसको 2 मिनट 5 मिनट के लिए अच्छा होगा और इतना करेगा जो भी कुछ हाँ उस तरह स्टिप की भी उस तरह फिर से बोले 10 मिनट के बाद
स्टिप की तो वहाँ पे भी नहीं है
हाँ
So that's clear.
Yeah, that's clear. So the next one on your right, that's the tube is clogged.
Yeah.
And I believe they have 90 there.
Yeah, but that's you got a cheater vent.
Yeah.
So let's see.
If you open up there, it's going to be fine. The tube, the flexible tube.
It's gonna be fine. I snaked that down to there. I'll try it again. But I was thinking we'd have to pull the vent.
Most of the time we use that one and unclog from there.
So the problem was in behind here. I went through the problem.
Careful, okay? It's right.
Yeah. So how often do you guys flush this out?
Flush with water
With hot water?
every now and then.
What does that mean every now and then?
So when I walk by, I walk around 50 times
A day?
a day.
You pour hot water in this 50 times a
Not
day?
50 times, but at least 5 or 7
Every day?
every day. At the end of the shift,
Like this hot water?
yes. At the end of the shift, at least 3 cups of this. And why we doing that? Because on the other side is cream. We're using cream.
Yeah.
So that foam deposit somewhere in the tube. So we know it.
Yeah, but it's not this. You gotta you're pouring it down here, right? Not there. You're pouring it both?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta make sure you always do this one
Yeah.
because this is picking up the coffee grounds and it's becoming a slime. And then when you do that, you also want to, if you can grab like a pot of water or a couple kettles every night as well, pour down there, hot water, boiling water, down the sink.
Yeah.
Because with how that pipe is at the back, right?
Which one? Yes, it's the same pipe.
Yeah, but see how it's coming up,
That's
right?
everywhere, not here.
No, I know. But how it comes up,
then-
you create that spot here in the bottom where it builds up, right? Right there. All right. I think we're good.
Yep.